It's me, Mixie. For today's video, we will mix NARRA Brown enamel paint mix for what? NARRA Brown is incredibly versatile. They're highly durable, and with the right finishes, they can fit in perfectly with any aesthetic, whether it's traditional or modern kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter NARRA Brown quick drying enamel mix for wooden furniture. Okay, let's start by pouring at least 50% of quick drying enamel caterpillar yellow. Then, let's add quick drying enamel moly orange. Also drop small amount of quick drying enamel black. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. It's more darker. Let's add more enamel caterpillar yellow. Let's also add a little more enamel moly orange. And last, drop a little enamel black. It's almost NARRA Brown. Just add more enamel caterpillar yellow. Mixing accomplished. If you enjoy our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.